Doing, guys? We got a Professor Evil challenge, bro. Let's just go ahead and burn these spikes or tacks or whatever you want to call them. Now we got an interesting loadout, bro. Now I'm gonna be real. I do not know. Let me be honest. I do not know what he's gonna send. So like, this round is gonna be basically seeing what happens. Okay. Looks like he's sending us stuff like as usual. Okay. I want to go for a mortar because I don't know if we need a mortar. And I'm gonna be real. If we don't need the mortar, then I just basically I want to be able to see if I can just do a Professor Evil challenge with one of these towers, either boat or let's go for a plantation. Okay, he's gonna be sending us pinks. Hopefully he doesn't send us a lot. Let's go ahead and go for burning stuff as soon as possible. Boom. I might want to set it down here. Okay, because yeah, we're leaking a lot, bro. On round 6, let's let's do eco boost. There we go. Okay, he's gonna be sending us blacks. Okay, doesn't look like we can do mortar only. Alrighty. It doesn't look like it, but let's just be sure. Should we still go for the farm first? Yeah. I don't know if it's the play. I don't even know if we should go for farm. I'm gonna be real. Okay, so maybe we should do eco boost maybe like a round earlier than 6. Like maybe on round 4, right? Or 5. I don't know. I want to get up a plantation before I do that, though. Alrighty. So, okay. Let's go for burning stuff as quick as possible. Round 5, do eco boost. Come on, come on, come on. Get up another one. Go for bigger blast, right? I don't know if he's going to be sending us any camos, though. That's the thing, bro. Okay, it looks like... Oh, did we die? No, no. We don't die. We don't die. Alright, on round 8, we're gonna do eco boost again, bro. Alright. Let's get burning stuff on this one. I don't want to go for camo detection yet. Not yet. Oh, we die, bro. We die. It looks like we didn't need that camo detection anyways. Okay. What if we do mortar with like What if we do a mortar and just one boat? Because I don't know. Because I wanted to try to see if I could save up to get a big one. That's what I really wanted to do. But let's see if we can just do boat. I don't think we can, but since we have those spikes to burn, bro, we can try to greed a little bit, just a little bit. I hope it's worth it. I hope it's worth it. Yeah, I don't think it was worth it, bro. Come on, any second. I don't think I want to boost that. I mean, even though we have a lot of boosts to go, like, we still have a lot of lives. You know, we're down to 40. We're actually out farming Professor Evil, bro. We're actually out farming Professor Evil. Alrighty. Do we want to boost this? You know what? Let's just boost it. On 7, we're gonna do eco boost again, because I'm hoping, like, Alrighty. Let's see if we can just do boat. Alright. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Is he gonna be? He has to send me leads, right? This is 7,000. We're gonna dual eco boost on round 11. I went for camo detection because, yeah. We should be fine with that. I'm pretty sure he's gonna send me a all-out rush on round 13, bro. I'm very sure of it. Are we fine to that? It looks like it, right? Okay. Do we need to boost that? Let's just boost that just in case. We're all out of boost, bro. We're all out of boost. So we're just gonna go for that. I don't even know if we have to go for that. I don't even know. Uh-oh. What is he sending me, bro? Oh, I sold a farm I didn't even need to. I was gonna go for another one. Round 15. We just gotta bank on him, bro. Can we go BIA? BIA on Professor Evil? BIA? No? Okay. Oh, we were so close to a BIA on Professor Evil, bro. Well, we just went boat only, bro. Psst. If you guys liked today's video, please subscribe. And we just went boat only. Professor Evil challenge. Let's get it, bro. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.